Greetings and salutations, and welcome to Is a Yard Ting. It's the first in a set of weekly segments that I'm going to do, where I'm going to look at 5 things that you probably know or do if you come from yard. Actually, it's probably from the Caribbean as well, because I realized when I put up the something about yard, the rest of the Caribbean people, them go hard for me like my girl, and I don't wonder that we do it too. So maybe what we'll go with is a yard ting, or maybe Caribbean. So you can look out for it coming out every Wednesday on my blog, MooreTalkJa.wordpress.com, or my YouTube channel, Country From Long Time. Please go and subscribe to the both of these things if you have not subscribed to them yet. Okay, and now on with the show. Number 1, if you come from yard, you know, say 99% of the time, the brown girl with the wavy hair is going to win Miss World. You don't have to ask any question. I don't even know where to start. First of all, I would like to thank indentured servitude for giving me an Indian grandmother. That way I can have this long wavy hair. Second of all, I would like to thank colonization for giving me an Englishman for a great-grandfather. That way my skin is light enough that people believe this weave actually grows out of my head. But most of all, I want to thank slavery, the remnants of which have brainwashed the public and the judges into consistently finding my more European features more beautiful than my Negro counterpart. Thank you, colonization. Thank you. I don't know what it is about the brown girl and with the wavy hair that we like so much. Even though we send a lot of them forward and them don't do anything for the country, we are determined to send them every year. It is almost like a rite of passage. If you are a brown girl and your belly flat and you have wavy hair, somebody's going to come up to you and suggest to you that you should enter Miss World or Miss Jamaica. Me not even that brown and my belly don't flat, and people come up to me and offer to put me on exercise program in order to get me through. I don't know. You could have a face that look like a foot bottom. Somebody's going to suggest it to you. It's a yard thing. If you come from yard, you know say hurricane can turn back. And you probably have an auntie who can tell you which hurricane is likely to turn back. Many hurricanes have started heading towards Jamaica. And it's like them have one particular patch in the Caribbean Sea where them just reach and just change their mind and just boom, run over to another country. Now, for the other countries who it is running to, we apologize. It's not we send them over there. If it is we send them over there, we apologize. But we didn't do it purposely. We just pray that it did not come. When time hurricane is coming to Jamaica, the whole of the church them have prayer meeting. And the whole of the mother woman them in the church go down upon them knee and bawl out to God to please spare Jamaica. So despite the amount of criminals and thieves and them type of murderers that we have down here, the hurricane will spare us. To the other countries who are getting the wrath, perhaps we can put you on our prayer books. We apologize. We sympathize with you. If we had money, we would send resources, but we don't have any. It's a yard thing. If you come from yard, then you know that if you have a store and you have stale food in there that want to sell off, the quickest way to get that food to sell off is to spread rumor that hurricane is coming. Because despite the number of hurricanes that come down there and nearly lick us, every single time that hurricane is coming, bread, crackers, bully beef and tin sausage sell out into the people them supermarket. I am convinced that the news networks are in some type of union with the supermarket them, and the news network them get a percentage of the money where the supermarket them get, because the amount of time hurricane definitely have a leak and then just don't get anywhere. And me like an idiot into Mega Mart line stand up clutching up the 4 hard bread and the 6 thing of bully beef and the 3 thing of water that is all is left because I made the mistake of getting there half an hour after the store was open and everything sell off. We never learn. Is a yard thing. If you come from yard, you know that you must not eat every food before you go to your bed because it is going to ride your stomach and give you a bad dream. Don't give me no chat about it. It is true. The one time me ever eat stew peas and go lie down in my bed, you know what happened to me? I had a dream that Yoda bit me in the back and I was paralyzed from the waist down, and then he jumped on me and attacked me. You cannot tell me that there is anything that happened in that dream that was not caused by the stew peas. What are you to eat before you go to your bed? Crackers and maybe a little bit of milk. My granny told me that and I believe her, and I learned the hard way. I'm not going to tell you what happened when I woke up, but suffice it to say, my mother had to put the mattress out to sun. If you come from yard, you know what that means. If you come from yard, you know say, if somebody's sick and can't get better, I probably up your them. No, I'm not here to defend it or to not defend it, and I don't know how to do it into the rest of the Caribbean. But all I am saying is that if the people them sick up a hospital and cannot get better, somebody is sending the big strapped in uncle up there to lift them out of the bed and carry them to the mother woman. And after the mother woman try with all of this and all of that and give them the tambourine bath, if it doesn't work, it is time for them to see a Catholic priest because the spirit is on them. It's time for them to get an exorcism. I can't tell you how much exorcism I've seen in my life, and I don't know what it is about the Catholic priest them. Cause even the Anglican people, them a go for the Catholic priests. Is like them are the hunger one, them are no offer round up it. Me don't know if I because them have the cross or because them have the holy water and them coming with like the robe and them. Me don't know if it look more authentic. But Catholic priest, when mother woman fail, you have to call in the Catholic priest to run the dopey off of the somebody. Yes, holistic medicine, all of them something there. But first, you check if a dopey is on them. I don't know why. It's a yaad thing.